Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty rib stitch knitting pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, this pattern can be used for making a border. You can also use this pattern for making a scarf, cap, cowl, etc. It is only 2 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 3 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 12 stitches on my needle, 9 multiple of 3 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit to 1 stitch like this. After this, now here are 2 stitches. We will knit the second one first. Knit the second stitch first like this, and after first stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Knit 1, knit second stitch first, and then knit first stitch. So one more repeat is knit 1 stitch like this, then knit second. Here are 2 stitches, so knit this one. Knit second stitch first like this, then after this knit first stitch like this. Now drop these 2 stitches. One more repeat, knit 1, then knit second stitch first like this, and then knit first stitch. So in this way we will complete our first row. Last I have 2 stitches, so knit to 1 stitch, yarn in front and purl the edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit to 1, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is knit to 1, purl 2, 1 and 2. Again knit to 1 and purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Last I have 2 stitches, yarn in back, knit to 1 stitch, and yarn in front, purl the edge stitch. So friends, after the 2 rows our pattern is ready. We will repeat these 2 rows until the desired length of our pattern. Again after 2 rows, again start from the first row. I will show you. Slip 1, then knit to 1 stitch, knit second stitch first, and then knit first stitch. So we'll repeat this pattern. Knit to 1, knit second stitch first, and then knit first stitch. One more repeat, knit to 1, knit second stitch first, and then knit first stitch. For last 2 stitches, knit to 1 stitch and purl the edge stitch. So friends, we will repeat these 2 rows until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 2 rows, we will get pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.